Hello guys, in this video, I will be discussing the female reproductive organs, their locations, and their major functions in brief. For your quick revision, I have customized them in a table. Not only this, the given table will also help you to memorize all these terms along with their importance. So, without wasting time, let's begin the topic. The first one is the mammary glands or breasts. Its location is upper chest, one on each side, and it contains alveolar cells, milk production, myoepithelial cells, contract to expel milk, and duct walls, help with extraction of milk. And its function is lactation milk/nutrition for newborn. Second one is cervix. Its location is the lower narrow portion of the uterus, and its functions are, during the childbirth, contractions of the uterus will dilate the cervix up to 10 centimeters in diameter to allow the child to pass through. Secondly, during the orgasm, the cervix convulses and the external OS dilates. Third one is clitoris. Its location is small erectile organ directly in front of the vestibule, and its function is engorged with blood. It helps in sexual excitation. Fourth one is fallopian tubes. Its location is extending upper part of the uterus on either side, and its function is egg transportation from ovary to uterus. Fertilization usually takes place here. Fifth one is hymen. Its location is thin membrane that partially covers the vagina in young females and later, during adult phase, usually disappears. The interesting point about hymen is, hymen has no proven medical or physiological purpose by the time, other than to give the guarantee of virginity. But paradox is, even this guarantee is not at all trustworthy. Sixth one is labia majora. It is outer skin folds that surround the entrance to the vagina, and its function is lubrication during mating. Seventh one is labia minora. It is inner skin folds that surround the entrance to the vagina, and its main function is lubrication during mating. Eighth one is mons pubis. It is mound of skin and underlying fatty tissue, central in lower pelvic region, normally covered with pubic hair, which comes during puberty. Major function of mons pubis is, the mons pubis functions as a source of cushioning during sexual intercourse. The mons pubis also contains sebaceous glands that secrete pheromones to induce sexual attraction. Ninth one is ovaries of female gonads. It is located in pelvic region on either side of the uterus. Its main function is to provide an environment for maturation of oocyte and synthesizes and secretes sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Tenth one is perineum. It is short stretch of skin starting at the bottom of the vulva and extending to the anus. Main function is, this region contains structures that supports the urogenital and gastrointestinal systems, and it therefore plays an important role in functions such as micturition, defecation, sexual intercourse, and childbirth. 11th one is urethra. It is pelvic cavity above bladder, tilted. Major function is to pass the urine. 12th one is vagina. It is a canal about 10 to 8 centimeters long going from the cervix to the outside of the body, and its major functions are receives penis during mating, pathway through a woman's body for the baby to take during childbirth, provides the route for the menstrual blood, menses, from the uterus to leave the body, may hold forms of birth control, such as an IUD, diaphragm, Neva ring, or female condom. 13th one is vulva. It is surround entrance to the reproductive tract, encompasses all external genitalia. Its major functions are to protect the internal parts of the female reproductive system, labia majora and minora. Besides, it also plays a role in sexual arousal and stimulation. Clitoris facilitates sex, such as through providing lubrication, Bartholin's glands, and cushioning. Mons pubis. 14th one is Endometrium. It is the innermost layer of uterine wall. And its major function is, it contains glands that secretes fluids that bathe the uterine lining. The 15th or last one is myometrium. It is smooth muscle in uterine wall. And its role is to contract and help to expel the baby out. So, guys, this is all about the female reproductive organs in brief. Hope it will help you in your fast revision, especially during your 12th board exam and all other medical entrance exam. Wish you good luck.